Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Heather Hutson, and I'm an 8th grade math teacher at McCracken Middle School in Spartanburg County. My dissertation topic and title of my dissertation research is Women in STEM Leadership Roles, Factors that Motivate Persistence. The study is going to be a transcendental phenomenological study, and the research question is, how do the lived experiences of women shape their STEM identities, and how does that impact their career persistence? The theoretical frameworks that I'll use for this study are Bourdieu's theory of habitus, which explains how people have dispositions that are shaped over time, and the interplay between that and Eckley's and Wigfield's expectancy value theory. The study is going to explore how women navigate and overcome what's commonly known as the leaky pipeline, which can cause potential decreases in their task value that they see in their careers. And this is prompted by structural barriers to advancement and how they navigate and overcome that in order to sustain motivation and persistence in the leadership within their profession. And the study is going to particularly look at women in the manufacturing STEM leadership area. Legislative decision-making is the process that is used by our government that ultimately results in passing laws or creating policies. It's important within the lens of leadership because it's a compelling example of a time when a leader must navigate the complexity of politics, but still use the power that they do have for the good of those that they are elected to serve or appointed to serve. In the purpose of my study, I really lay out why the gender gap affects everyone in the United States and how our entire country will suffer if we have a continued worker shortage that is exacerbated by the gender gap in STEM, particularly in areas like manufacturing. And then within the significance of the study, I do bring in how legislative decision-making could have an effect. The study incorporates legislative decision-making by aiming to offer, and this is almost a direct quote out of the study, aiming to offer insights to policymakers that seek to design and implement more effective interventions, policies, and strategies that are designed to support the success of women in STEM, especially within the manufacturing industry. So legislative decision-making could be a potential outcome of my study. Thanks.